Hey, good. How are you guys?
Okay.
We are
Thank
fine.
you so much for joining with us.
Yeah, no worries. No worries. Thank you for having me.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay,
This is my mentor.
dear Nisad,
Okay. And what's your name?
Golzer Hossain.
Wajab Hussein.
Yeah.
All right.
And you?
I'm Dennis.
Okay, Dennis, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Just I'm going to send my name. Yeah. This
Oh,
is my-
okay. I see. Hossain Golzer.
yeah. According to discuss with Mr. Zisan, hopefully you have few questions on your niche. If you ask anything, no problem. If you have any question, you can ask me.
Okay. Sounds good.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. So I really don't know how this. Can you guys hear me well?
Yeah.
Just want to make sure.
It's
Okay. So I don't know how you guys work around this thing. I had quite a few. It's funny. Like I had so many people kind of asking for the same thing that you did. Unfortunately, all of your emails going to spam. So just heads up. But yours, the sound was, is it Hassan? Did I say that correctly? How do you pronounce your name?
Golzer Hossain.
Yeah, but the
Zisan.
person that sent me email, Zisan.
Zisan, yeah. Zisan.
Yeah.
Zisan. Okay. So yeah, I found your in your in my spam folder on your email, and yours stood out because you sent me a screenshot of the YouTube page, and I've seen you used vidIQ, so I can tell you know some things about it without just saying, hey, I can help you with your YouTube. So
Yeah.
if you would decide to do this in the long run, I think that's a good tactic. That's what paid off. I had a whole bunch of people writing that's exactly the same thing you did, but nobody put any kind of like a little screenshot, or so you did some work to send that email. So I appreciate that, and that's why I answer your email. So just so you know, you did really good part on that end. So.
Okay.
So to be honest, I think my problem is that I'm not putting enough videos, just because I'm busy, and I did plan to put them as many as I can, but there's so many things. I work full time, I have kid, family, so these videos, they take long time, and I think consistency would help me. But I had the last video, so I don't know what happened there. I had one where I found, like, I was on the river, I found the iPhone in the water, and I did a little video how I found it, cleaned it, whatever. And that video, like, in first 2 or 3 days had over 2,000 views, which for my channel, it's
Okay.
amazing. It's a lot. I got like 15 subscribers out of that. Again, for the size of my channel, it's a lot. And that thing just dropped off, like all of a sudden. I don't know what happened. I didn't change anything. I don't know what changed in algorithm. It just dropped, and I had no views whatsoever. I would have 1 view a week instead of having, at that point, I had 1,000 a day.
Okay. But for your kind information, if you see on your channel analytics or dashboard, it's grow up manually, then need few time, because YouTube choose that channel who update their YouTube channel by using their terms and condition, and for that terms and condition we need to share our content on all social media sites day by day. Okay. For organic work need few time to grow our channel or grow our website. Okay. But another hand, if you grow your YouTube channel within a few times, then they use down our YouTube channel and lost our views and subscribers.
Okay, so what is, I'm sorry, I'm just trying. So what kind of method is the second one you said? Picks?
First one is the better, but there is need few time for organic work. If you complete your organic work, and for organic work lots of method, on-page SEO, off-page SEO, social media marketing, keyword researching, title optimization, lots of. Okay.